While you can dive anytime, the dry season from May to October is the peak period for divers, offering clear skies and exceptional underwater visibility. Conversely, the wet season from November to April, though still viable for diving, presents more rainfall and potential tropical cyclones, which can affect visibility and overall conditions. Before taking the plunge into Fiji's waters, it's imperative to have the right diving certification and experience. Fiji caters to divers across the spectrum, from novices to the seasoned. Beginners or those rusty from a diving hiatus should consider a refresher course. For those with ambitions of exploring caves or swimming with sharks, ensure your training aligns with these advanced pursuits. Safety is paramount, and being prepared will ensure a memorable and secure dive. The choice of dive operator can make or break your Fiji diving experience. Look for operators with sterling safety records and a commitment to environmental stewardship. Reviews and recommendations are gold when selecting, so do your homework. The location of the dive operator is also key, as Fiji's archipelago offers a diverse range of dive sites. Choose an operator that aligns with the specific experiences you're seeking, whether it's coral gardens, shark encounters, or cave dives. As divers, we have a responsibility to protect the marine environments we explore. In Fiji, this means adhering to conservation guidelines and engaging in eco-friendly diving practices. Avoid touching the coral, maintain a respectful distance from marine life, dispose of waste properly, and practice good buoyancy control. These actions help preserve Fiji's underwater splendor for future generations and ensure that the vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life continue to thrive. In conclusion, diving in Fiji is an experience like no other, with its year-round diving season, diverse marine life, and stunning coral reefs. Remember to consider the seasonal variations. Ensure you have the appropriate diving certification and experience. Choose a reputable dive operator, and dive responsibly to protect the marine environment. With these insights, you're ready to embark on an unforgettable diving adventure in Fiji. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.